You've been on tours in Europe. You've experienced fame of different levels. For those of us that are watching this that will never experience it, talk about fame for a minute.
It's the most intoxicating drug that you'll ever find. Whatever, pick the drug that could get you the highest, that is the most addictive, whatever. Like I said, what they gave Michael Jackson to go to sleep, propofol. Pick whatever drug you want. Fame eclipses it by 1,000 times.
What are some of the positives that you got to experience from fame?
Okay, so for me, I believe in using your fame for positive things. To me, fame is not about having sex with chicks and all that stuff is cool. That's nice. But fame is when you can use fame to influence somebody's life. You can make a kid happy. Somebody's sick in the hospital and you can go. That's what it's really for, to touch people. Now, the cross benefits of fame are the women, the money, the cars, the house, the jewelry, all of that. But again, man, fame is, for me, is to make people happy.
Well, it's probably really fleeting. I mean, you've been in the industry for 25, 30 years. Mm-hmm. I'm sure you've seen plenty of artists come and go.
Oh, yeah.
And they've had hot moments, and then you see them. I mean, I'm
gone.
Yeah,
gone. And the thing about fame that people need to understand is this. Again, you can come and go. And the most important thing you need to understand about fame is fame and money just make you more of whatever you are. If you're a fool, makes you more of a fool. If you're an idiot, makes you more of an idiot. If you're an overall good guy, makes you more of a good guy. If you're a ass, it makes you more of an ass. It's just what it is.
Now, a lot of the people watching my videos on the music industry are independent artists, and some of them feel like they're struggling and they're not sure what to do next. Now, you've toured the world. You've made a lot of money touring. Do you mind speaking to that guy who is starting right now, maybe got a little buzz around the regional area, maybe your experience with touring the world,
well,
how you got there?
I'll tell you this, simply. You got to work every day. If you have people in your life that are loved ones, friends, family, in order to get to the top, some people may have to go. If you're really doing this and you have a girlfriend, a boyfriend, whatever, they may have to go. And to be completely honest with you, they should go. Here's why. Not because you don't love them, but people live regular lives. Most people do not have the dedication to do this. This is a 24-hour-a-day, 7-day-a-week business. What you're watching right now is being conducted at 2:40 a.m. Pacific time. Okay? 9 times out of 10, when this was recorded, you were snoring. I am getting ready to finish with this interview, walk upstairs, take a shower, pack my bags, and go to the next town. That goes on and on and on. And a lot of times, people cannot take that. Don't do that to your family. Don't do that to your friends. Number 2 is, you need to understand people will put their insecurities on you. Oh, you'll never make it as a singer. Oh, you'll never make it as a rapper. It's hard to do. Well, guess what? Anything that involves a lot of money is hard to do. Whether that's being in the trucking business, whether that's being in the real estate business, whether that's being in the podcast business. Anything where you get big money and big checks is gonna be pain, war, dedication, hard nights, lonely nights, everything. If you're not ready for that, no disrespect. Please don't take this as a disrespect. Go to 7-Eleven. Work at McDonald's. punch a 9-to-5 job, because this ain't for you. Because the bottom line is this: big money requires big sacrifice and big work. You're not ready for it? Do regular jobs. Go and have a great time on Saturday and Sunday when the rest of the world is off. Enjoy your life. But there may be times where you have to worry about your phone bill or your car note. The people who make a hell of a lot of money, a ridiculous ton of money, they don't worry about that. But they hustle and they work, and a lot of times they're not home. Final thing I'm gonna leave you with. They asked the CEO of Lamborghini why he doesn't advertise on television. The man simply said, my clients that buy Lamborghinis, they rarely watch television. They're working. Again, what I'm saying is not to look down on people or talk crazy to people or say whatever to people. This is a hard line of work. Anything you do in life, forget the music industry. If you want to make 7-Eleven ice cream, this takes preparation, time. You've got to put work in, meet people. There's a million things that happen before this goes in a cup. But when you do this and you sell 1 million of these, you're a millionaire. But that takes work. If you're not ready for the work and you just want to hang out and not do too much and watch Netflix and have fun and meet chicks on the weekend and meet guys on the weekend and drink at the club, then guess what? Do that. But you have to understand that's regular wage jobs. You want the best, you got a gun like you going for the best. End of story.